This is my garden, and my name is Shriyan Sunil from UKGC, and UKGC is from San Francisco Academy, Bengaluru. Today, I got tomatoes, lots of them, but one has turned red over here. You can see. So that is what I just wanted to show you right here.
And now you're going to pluck.
Yeah, and we're gonna pluck. We have to be careful. Right here.
Hold with second hand. Yay.
Here it is.
Whoa.
Our red tomato.
How are you feeling?
Okay. I dropped it. So this is how I just wanted to show you today.